Hello viewers, we'll be going over Netflix, Moderna, and Tesla. We'll be using the day-by-day probability model as our support and resistance gauges and trading range. These models are based on past trends that are similar to the current trend but not identical, so do keep that in mind. So let's start off with Netflix. Netflix reported earnings miss for the second quarter and also lowered their guidance of subscribers for the third quarter. And at the moment, it was approaching to positive MACD, however, it's since reversed after the earnings report. As for the forward chart, we did attempt to touch the 200 moving average with this green line. However, we do want to see that attempt during trading sessions tomorrow as a real test of that support level. And we have not reached oversold RSI on the 4-hour chart yet. And at the moment for the daily chart, what we have here is we're still near overbought on the daily RSI and have not since seen any indication of the daily MACD diverging. And we have the trading range. On the bottom range, we have $485.60. This trading range is based on the day-by-day probability model. And as we progress to the fifth day or a week of trading, we have a 37% chance for Netflix to climb higher between 0 to 8.9%. And to the downside, we have a 50% chance for Netflix to fall between 0 to negative 8.9%. And to the extreme case, to the upside, we have a 12% chance for it to climb between 8.9% to 17%. So we'll be using the up 8.9% and down 8.9% as our support and resistance levels. And one level is the 18-day moving average, this purple line. And as for resistance to the upside, it is near the all-time highs of, say, $567. And now let's examine Moderna. At the moment, Moderna closed around 2% on Thursday. And on the 1-hour chart, what we have here is it was approaching to negative MACD, however, it's since stopped, and we are bouncing right off the 50 moving average, which is a good indication that the uptrend is still intact. And we also see a similar action with the 18 moving average, this purple line. There is some little bit of concern with the 4-hour MACD diverging, however, that should not be a big factor. And at the moment, we are now overbought on the RSI. However, that doesn't quite stop it from continuing to move higher. So with Moderna, these ranges are based on the day-by-day probability model. What we have here is, as we progress to the fifth day, we have a 60% chance for Moderna to climb between 0 to 13%. And for the extreme case to the upside, a 10% chance for it to climb between 13 to 26%. And another extreme case, another 10% to climb further between 26% to 40%. And to the downside, we have a 20% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 13%. So we'll be using up 13% and down 13% as our support and resistance levels. So down 13%, that coincides fairly close to the 9-day moving average, this blue line, at around the price of $70.70, and to the upside for resistance, up 13% from where we are. That price range is around $92.84. So now let's examine Tesla. Tesla is down roughly around 3% on Thursday. And if we examine on the 1-hour chart, what we have here is still in negative MACD. We still see slight divergence in play, and at the moment, on the 4-hour chart, what we have here, we do want to test the 50 moving average, this yellow line, and we do see the 4-hour MACD still approaching to negative MACD. And we are still making lower lows. As for the daily chart, what we have here is we see the bottom range coincides with previous resistance, and since we're above resistance, that now acts as our support. And that is around a price of $1,369. And that coincides with the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the fifth day of trading, we have a 50% chance for Tesla to climb higher between 0 to 7%, and on the extreme case, a 25% chance for it to climb between 7% to 14%. And to the downside, we have a 25% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 7%. So we'll be using up 7% and down 7% as our support and resistance levels. So again, the support coincides with previous support that dated back to July 7th. And to the upside, that resistance is around the price of $1,606, and that is up, say, from the day by day of 7%. So in this video, we will go over Tesla, Netflix, and Moderna. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.